rainy kind of day, but I want to have my girlfriend drive the car, and you know, I'm always blocking it in. Hopefully this freaking car starts. It's always something with the G, you feel me? Part 1. Get the fuel pump going, you know. Bruh, this car never wants to start. You know, good luck, Charlie. It has gas. I don't know what to do. Well, guys, ran into an issue with the freaking G. It didn't start then and there. Sorry I don't have my seatbelt, but I'm pretty sure the reason it didn't start was because we had just done something to the spark plugs and it's super cold. It was all rainy all day, and I kind of have an open vented hood, so maybe some water got into the engine. I put a car cover on it. I had to change my jacket and got hecka dirty. I put gas in it, didn't start, but like I said, it could be the spark plugs. That was the main thing that my tuner told me to get some new spark plugs, admin, and then my car should be running right, but it sucks. I guess I have to cover it down all the time, especially when it's raining. That's the car game. When you want to go boost it or something like that, it's just part of the life, you know? But I'm about to go pick up my girlfriend. We're about to go get some Dutch Bros. Bro, I need to wear a hat. Gotta go pick up my girlfriend. Probably gonna get some Dutch Bros and just chill. I'm gonna let her drive the cat. She's drove the cat before, but I'm gonna let her just whip it further and just, you know, I'll probably have it on eco mode for her because it's kind of been raining and I'm not trying to lose this car that fast. But vroom, vroom. I feel like every other Trackhawk Hellcat Trackhawk owner, that's what I feel like every other one that I be posting on YouTube. They literally have this same angle. Whee! You'll have low miles, 369, you know, break-in period. I believe it's 500. There's a whole break-in period for Hellcats and stuff. It's pretty crazy. You get to drive it. Why? Because I want you to drive it.
You want me to drive it?
Yeah. Jeez, this shit's clean. Jailbreak.
It's free.
I know. She's driving the cat.
Should I get my wallet?
This is a YouTube video. Why?
I don't have my license.
Oh yeah, if you want to go get it.
I was all the way upstairs. I don't feel like walking upstairs.
Do you know your license number by heart?
No. I have a picture of it though.
Damn, it's crazy driving.
Being in the passenger seat?
Being in the passenger. We got a baddie driving the Jailbreak.
Yeah. It's partially mine.
So you want to introduce yourself because you're on Rascals G37. You're not on Young Rascal. This is Rascals G37 account.
I am Devin's fiance.
Oh my god. Where's my wallet? You know that?
It's not over here.
I might not even have my wallet. It's not over there?
No.
I'll be at my house. Almost lost my wallet. Which is crazy, I can't see my face. Almost lost my wallet, but we found it. Shout out to Pops. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? She's riding without a license, she crazy. Gotta keep her safe. Eco.
Wow.
She got a little left, but she's... Hey, we're really some Hellcat drivers. None of us have our license. Just bought an SD card for the YouTube channel. You know, 128 gigabytes. Let me know where you guys get your SD card. We came to Best Buy for the worst buy. Yeah, this is the end of the video. She didn't want to swing it, and yeah, there's nothing else to do. Maybe I'll record when I drive home, actually.
He's a bad driver.
Peace, subscribe, like, comment. Get me to 1,000 subscribers.
Homeboy made this.